Alright, here he comes, dude!
My hands are really good. This.
There he is! CSX! That is a CSX grain, I believe.
Great.
Yeah, grain. It's actually Manifest. It's Manifest.
How can you tell the difference?
Because it's got these mixed box cars and the wood cars. And they'll have the tank cars too.
And your mom's out front, Kaylee. What's up? Hey, Kaylee.
Hey.
Your mom went out front. So we'll go meet her up there.
Get a little closer. That is a long manifester. Yep, he's heading to William right now. Alright guys, see you guys later. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up, the sincere subscribe to the CSX Freight Train YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more rail fitting videos and more ceiling fan videos, so stay tuned.